How to connect PagePilot to Shopify store. So the first thing that you need to do is open up a new tab and then go to PagePilot, just like that. Here you go, pagepilot.ai. Let's log in. Okay, so once you're in here, you're gonna see connect Shopify store. So let's connect Shopify. Let's connect Shopify store. And now what you need to do is paste in your Shopify store URL. So we need to go to home. We need to just copy this link right here. So let's go to home. Here it is. Just copy this link, paste it in here, and let's connect store. Let's continue with the email address that's connected to your Shopify. And there you go. You successfully added your store to PagePilot. Now, what can you do with PagePilot AI to your Shopify store? You can open the product page in PagePilot. So let's go to AI product pages. Let's create our first AI product page. Let's say this, or we can choose from our Shopify store. Let's go next. We can do legacy and let's create page product. And now, once you're happy with your product page, click publish to Shopify and then choose a plan. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.